Question 22. So the A part states write the formula of the following coordination compound iron 3 hexacyanoferrate 2. So the formula will be Fe4 Fe Cn 6 3. For the B part of the question, what type of isomerism is exhibited by the complex this? So the answer is ionization isomerism. And for the C part, we have to write the hybridization and number of unpaired electrons in the complex CO F6 3 minus, and we are given with the atomic number of CO as 27. Number of unpaired electrons will be 4 and hybridization will be sp3 d2.